Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create PayPal account. Well, this is really easy. You have to just go to Google, search for PayPal here, and you will be redirected in this official website, which is the website of PayPal. Now to create an account, you have to click on sign up. And here, once you click on sign up, you will get a two option, whether you want to create your individual account or you want to create your business account. So in the individual accounts, you have very less benefits, as well as on the business account, you have much more benefit. But basically there's a some, whenever you transfer money, you have to pay a some extra fees in business account where you have to pay less fees in individual account. So both, if you want to create an account, you have to fill up this information. So basically I will select my individual. Now here we have to enter the email address of ours. Now once you have added your email address, you have to enter the phone number. After that, you have to create a password and click on next. Now here you have to select your nationality, which is the country you are from, and you have to enter your first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Then it will ask you your address, and you have to put all this information authentic, right? Then you have to click on agree and continue. Then it will load for a few seconds. After that, you have to link your card. So it could be a debit card or it could be a normal credit card. So it's very important to add your, as you can see here, so make sure you add your debit or number, the card, which type of card, whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or whichever it is, the expiration date and the security code. And after that, your account is done, right? So this is how you can create your account. Now, as you can see here, identity verification is pending. So this is really important, because without identity verification, you won't be able to pay someone, as well as you won't be able to get paid. So let's verify our identity here. To verify your identity, you have to enter or basically provide them just documents here, which is basically you need to confirm or provide your identity, any government documents from your country, and that's it. So we will select this purpose code. So you have to select why you have made this account, the reason. So let's say that it's just normal purchase towards travel or other travel receipts, right? So once you have selected the reason, click on submit. Now here, if you didn't added your bank account, so you have to add your bank account. So you have to go to the verification here. As you can see here, you have to enter all this information, and once you have added, fill up all this information, your account is done. So this is how you can create your PayPal account. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.